मैं इसको लाइव कर रही हूँ अभी। नमस्ते। सबसे पहले मैं आपको सबको बधाई देना चाहती हूँ वर्ल्ड स्पिरिचुअलिटी डे की। मैं डॉक्टर मनीषा अनवेकर आप सभी का स्वागत करती हूँ स्पिरिचुअल कनेक्ट में और इस स्पेशल मीटिंग में, इस स्पेशल सेशन में, जिसमें मैं आपको गाइडेड मेडिटेशन दूंगी। वी आर ऑल गोइंग थ्रू द पैंडेमिक एंड पैंडेमिक की वजह से हम सभी को बहुत ज्यादा ही तकलीफ हो रही है। बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट टाइम से जा रहे हैं। इसलिए मैं चाहती हूँ कि सबसे पहले जो इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है वो हेल्थ है। तो आज का जो मैं मेडिटेशन आप सभी को दूंगी, दैट इज योर मेडिटेशन फॉर हेल्थ। इन दिस मेडिटेशन we will do meditation for health of your physical body, health of your mental body, as well as health of your spiritual body. Because we are all a mix of these three. We are not only this physical body, we are a physical, a mental, as well as the spiritual body. तो इन तीनों ही चीजों की हेल्थ हमारे लिए बहुत जरूरी है। सबसे पहले प्रोग्राम हम चालू करें इसके पहले मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है आप सभी से, जैसे कि जनरली लोग जानते हैं कि हम लोग एक प्रेयर से ही चालू करते हैं अपने प्रोग्राम्स को और एक दीपक जला के करते हैं। तो अगर आपके पास दीपक है तो प्लीज दीपक जलाइए। मैं भी करती हूँ, उसके साथ में हम एक छोटी सी प्रेयर बोलेंगे एंड देन वी विल मूव फॉरवर्ड। थैंक यू। ये जो दीपक है ये हमारे अंदर की लाइट, जो हमारी इनर लाइट होती है, जो हमारी स्पिरिचुअल लाइट होती है, उसका सिंबलिक है। हमारे प्रोग्राम्स में हम लोग हमेशा अपने इनर लाइट को जलाते हैं, अपने इनर लाइट को, अपनी एनर्जी को सामने लाते हैं। यू आर रिक्वेस्टेड टू क्लोज योर आइज जेंटली एंड इफ यू नो दिस प्रेयर, sing along with me, chant along with me. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. May peace prevail in everybody's life who have joined me in Zoom or who are watching me on Facebook. Thank you so much. So even though many people know that 5th August is celebrated as World Spirituality Day, I would like to tell those who are new to us. We celebrate this day to mark the foundation day of Spiritual Connect. I have been meditating since I was 5 and started teaching meditation when I was 10, and giving spiritual parenting classes when I was 20. But slowly I realized that it was all unorganized. I was just giving classes, that's all. So just to give it a formal form, I founded Spiritual Connect on August 5th in the year 1992. So next year, we will be 30 years old. So that's how we celebrate this day as World Spirituality Day. My
Hello.
students, yes, Dipti.
Hello.
Yes, Dipti.
Hello.
I can hear you, Dipti. So on this day, my students and clients and all those who are connected with us in any way, they all do a good karma. Definitely, we do good karma on other days as well. But this is a special day. Like we celebrate our birthday, our wedding anniversary, or this day or that day. And we do some particular thing on that particular day. So this day is marked to increase your spiritual brownie points, to make yourself available to do some good service to humanity. Dipti, can you please mute yourself? Thank you. So today, I'm going to give you a beautiful meditation for your spiritual, mental, and physical health. Please allow me a few moments so that I can start a music that will take you on a very different level. And then I will give you instructions what you are supposed to do. Thank you. Just a minute for me. Just one moment. So now I'm sharing my screen, and soon you will be able to hear the music. Can you hear the music? Deepti, are you unable to hear me? Can somebody please tell me if you're able to hear the music?
Yes, we are able to listen the music.
Okay, thank you so much. So now, close your eyes gently. Sit upright. Your spine straight. Your shoulders straight like this. Relaxed. Listen to my voice. Listen to the music. I'm going to take you on a beautiful journey. Just drench yourself in this music and listen to my voice. We are going on a beautiful inner journey. Take a deep breath in. Ekdam aram se. Feel it going from your nostrils to your diaphragm to your middle and abdomen. Hold it for a count of 3. Remove it slowly through your mouth. Take another deep breath. Hold it for a count of 3. Remove it slowly through your mouth. Continue breathing this way throughout the meditation. As you take another breath in, feel the positivity going in and all negative emotions, any kind of negativity coming out from your body, mind, and spirit. Another breath. And another. Beautiful. With your next breath, take all the goodness of the universe and take out your worries of the day, stress, anxiety, and anything that is worrying you. With your next breath, create a beautiful circle around you. Beautiful golden circle around you. And with every next breath, let this circle enhance. This is your circle of safety. This circle will keep you safe within its limits. You will live in peace whenever you are in this circle. See the peace growing within you. Taking a few more breaths and feel that peace growing within you, relaxation growing within you. You're feeling at peace. You're feeling beautiful. You are feeling relaxed. You're feeling good. Continue breathing at this pace throughout the meditation. Now I want you to do one thing. Just imagine an energy body of yourself. जो भी कपड़े आपने पहने exactly same an energy body right opposite you, sitting face to face. आप यहाँ बैठे हैं और आपकी एनर्जी बॉडी यहाँ बैठी है. You are facing each other. Exactly the same way as you are sitting now. This energy body is going to heal your physical, mental, and spiritual body that you are. I'll be energizing that spiritual, that energy, and it will in turn energize you. So just remove that energy body from you and sit face to face. connect at your heart's position with each other. That's how you connect with your higher self. See a thread from this body to that, a beautiful golden thread or a silver or white thread. Can be any color. It can be silk, it can be cotton, it can be anything. A beautiful thread connecting you with yourself. Now I'm energizing that body. And your body is sending energy to your physical body. If there is any pain, if there is anything in your physical body, any organ, to send that energy to that part. When I send you energy, and when your spiritual body sends that energy to your physical body, you may feel a warm or cold sensation, tingling or pins. You may feel little stress, little pain. Feel it. If you have anything in more than one organ, please take this energy. Heal yourself. I'm sending continuous energy to you. And your energy body is just reflecting it towards you. With your eyes closed, take this energy from your head to toe, from your toe to head, on your back side, on the right side, on the left side. You're feeling healed on your physical body. I'm sending special energy to your energy body. Receive it. Now your energy body is radiating that energy, reflecting that energy to your mental body. Just go a step with it. Your self-esteem, self-confidence, self-image is enhancing with this. If you're disappointed, you are feeling frustrated or angry or something, heal that part. If you get negative thoughts too often, heal those thoughts. We know that nothing is permanent in this universe. Everything changes. Change is the law of the universe. So accept it. What was there yesterday will not stay today. What is there today will not stay tomorrow. So change is the rule, the law of the universe. Look at everything as just an event. Let it not affect you this deep. Heal your emotions. Somebody said something bad, forget it. Forget them. Someone disappointed you, forgive them. Let there be peace within. Heal your mental. It's very important because many of your physical disorders or diseases are caused by your thoughts, by your mental body. We call them psychogenic, psychosomatic. These disorders are born in your mind, but they manifest on your physical body. So healing your mind is very important. Whatever negativity is there, let it come out. Just throw it somewhere away from you. Feel the peace. Feel relaxation. Feel positivity in and around you. Now I am sending my energy to your energy body to heal your spiritual body. Receive that energy. Let your higher self, let your energy body heal you. Go one step within. Here lies your treasure of the spiritual. Your journey has been very difficult. Probably you have gone through something in the past, but you have also collected positive brownie points along the way. You have done a lot of good work. Instead of looking at what is negative over there, look at what is positive. Love yourself. You've done a lot of good work. Get that. Healing your spiritual body is also that important. Because when we cease to be a physical being, what we take along is our mental and spiritual. Heal it. Your love, your peace, your spirituality, your conscience, everything lies. These three bodies are closely connected to each other. Your physical body affects your mental and spiritual body. Your mental body affects your physical as well as spiritual. And your spiritual body affects your physical as well as mental. So heal your physical body, your mental body, and your spiritual body. I want to take you on a beautiful experience, on a beautiful journey now. You are already there in your spiritual world. Just see that beautiful glow inside, that golden light that is increasing from a small dot. It has become a bubble that is increasing. And it is surrounding you from everywhere. You are inside that golden bubble now. You're looking so beautiful, so handsome. Your skin is radiating light. Your eyes have got a different glow. Your mind is charged with beautiful particles. And your soul is in bliss, divine bliss. Wow. What a beautiful moment. I want you to live in this bliss forever. So once again, inside the golden bubble, I want you to heal everything from your physical body to your mental body to your spiritual body. I'm just moving my hand from your head to toe, from front, from your back, from your right side and your left side. I'm giving healing to your physical body. Everywhere. Feel that energy. Now to your mental body. And now to your physical body, spiritual body. All three bodies have healed now. Now it is your job to keep your bodies energized. Keep the connection of your energy body and your physical body intact so that you can heal yourself whenever you want, with me or without me. So now you will take that energy body within you and become one as you were earlier. You will have to turn it around because you are facing each other. So turn it around and let it go inside. Now your energy body is again one with you. You will live in this state forever. Remember that most of the difficulties are born in your mind. You have to change your thought process from a negative to a positive. Always. In any circumstance. I'm sure you will do it because you are capable of doing it. You are a successful person. Success does not always mean having a big house, having a big car, and fat bank balance. Find what success means to you. Define your own success. For me, connecting with you and changing one life at a time is success. So I am successful if I have touched you, if I have brought a positive change in your life. In the same way, you define your success. We are all a complete package with strengths and limitations. Look at them. Love your strengths. Use them in whatever you do and improve upon your limitations. We should be a learner all our lives. Never try to become master of something. We are students until our last breath. Enhance your confidence. Love yourself the way you are. This will enhance your self-image. when your self-confidence and self-image is good, your self-esteem is high. You are a beautiful person, a beautiful soul. Know that for sure. Others may or may not love you. Never get affected with that. Love yourself. You are unique. You are limited energy. There is nobody like you. Nobody knows you better than yourself. Accept yourself the way you are. Love and respect yourself so that you can love and respect others as well. So live in this awareness, this consciousness all your life. Keep this energy growing within you as you take deep breaths every day. Make meditation a part of your life. You may start with just 5 minutes if you do not do it, and increase it over a period of time. But do it. It helps you in many ways. I want to give you a few moments to live in this consciousness, to enjoy this bliss. When you're out of that consciousness, in your alpha state or in your normal state, I would like to do a beautiful activity for you. So either you can switch on your cameras or you can write in the chat that you are out. Enjoy that bliss for a few moments. In the meantime, I will meditate because this activity needs a small meditation. So I want to give the best to you today. It's my gift to you on World Spirituality Day. Thank you. Enjoy this bliss. Once you are done, please let me know. When you are out of the meditation, just rub your palms like this. Take them on your face, on your head, and everywhere on your body. Just absorb these beautiful vibrations and just give me a few moments to meditate. Would you like to come out? So, good. Utkarsha is out. How about others? Anubhuti is also out. Very good. Okay. Very good. May I request others also to please come out? You can watch this meditation. I'll be putting it on YouTube also. And whenever you want, you can just go in this bliss once again. And now, I was prompted to read these cards for you. So these are Antakaran inner guidance cards. I created them in 2018. So today when I was meditating, so my inner self asked me to take out one card for you. But at this moment when I meditated, I was prompted to take out 3 cards. So let me do that. I always go what my inner self says. When my higher self sometimes asks me to do something special, I do it that way. So let me take out 3 cards. Yeah. So this is the first card that I have got. It reads, motivate yourself. These cards are, there is one title, one image, there is one question, and there is one answer for you to introspect upon them. So the first card reads, motivate yourself. And this girl is sitting like this, okay? And the question is, have you been feeling low-spirited of late? And the answer is, look up. Better times are waiting ahead. This was the first card that came. I feel that we all need motivation in this time because we are all going through a very, very difficult time. The second card is this, keep on your path. This card has a dry land, and over there a flower is blooming. And the question is, are you experiencing adversities in your life? Yes, we are all. And the answer is, this time too shall pass. Oh my God. Let me check the third card. That is Inner Connect. And this is what we did just now. And the question is, how often do you take time out to reconnect with your own self? And the answer is, re-establish your connection and experience the magic. I hope all of us who joined me in this program reconnected with their inner self. So let me stop this screen share and connect with you. Just a moment. Yeah. So 3 cards, motivate yourself, keep on your path, and inner connect. Just tell me, did you connect with these cards? Did you find them useful? Did you feel that these questions were there in your mind? If yes, this is your answer. So this was my small gift to you on this very, very special day, not only in my life, but in our life, because we are all connected. We are all one. Once again, I would like to thank all of you for joining me in my Zoom program as well as in my live on Facebook. I would like to have your questions if you have any. But before that, I would like to stop the Facebook Live. Just give me permission to do that. And after that, I shall be back on Zoom once again. Thank you so much. And I would like to thank everybody who have joined me on Facebook. If you wish, you can share this on your timelines or with your people, whosoever are there in your circle of influence. And please help them also get spiritually conscious. Wish you a very happy World Spirituality Day once again. So now I'm there to take your questions. I would like to stop recording as well. Thank you.